That was a bit loud. Okay, thank you for coming back to our video. And next.
Yeah, I guess we're going to talk about work.
Yeah, work,
yeah.
our job.
So we're actually in the same team, right?
Yes.
So we're kind of like, our job is to like create long-term relationships with families and I guess build good, healthy relationships with like the students and parents. And one of the things we think we want to talk about is
what is this?
So this is kind of like, so every birthday right now we're doing a project called like Happy Birthday Box, and we give presents to students in Japan and also overseas. I think the farthest country was like America or Switzerland.
Switzerland,
yes, yeah. So, and inside the presents there's like this cup and there's this like book and other flowers, stickers, stuff. So we thought it was cute, so we're just putting it here. Yeah.
Okay. I guess we can talk about like, okay, we did talk about our hobbies, but how are we similar in our job, work? Sorry, that was me.
Maybe we can even talk about what we enjoy when we work.
Oh yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
I guess I enjoy seeing the students grow.
Yeah. For sure.
Especially like not just the Japan process is also I think really precious. Like seeing them work on like high goals and achieving that. But for me personally, I'm more happy to see like students like growing inner worlds. How do you say
like as a person?
As a person,
like
yeah.
Maturing.
Like being not giving up easily, or like being able to say their feelings in words, like knowing what they want to say, having opinions on questions. Like when I see them growing as a human, I feel like yes, I'm teaching English, but like I'm also seeing them grow in a different way as well, you know.
And I think you're a really good role model for the kids. Yeah, no, please, like I want to teach you like her. Yeah.
How about you?
For me, I just enjoy like talking to the students, but also like I just enjoy them I enjoy just like seeing them smile. It's the small things.
I know.
It's the small things.
And it's so, I don't know, incredible that they live so far away. So you wouldn't like get to meet them.
Yeah. But like, thank you, internet. I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah.
Thanks to technology, we're able to connect. And since our company is big but not big, if you know what I mean, like
Growing.
yeah, it's currently getting bigger, but it's really nice to connect to new families because it's really like ichigo ichie. Oh, this is a word that I love. I don't know how to explain. No, I can try. Ichigo ichie is like, it's a word that comes from tea ceremony, and I used to do tea ceremony.
I didn't know that.
So it's like every single tea ceremony is like a different guest, different condition, different maybe like sweets, different decorations. So that like opportunity or that tea party is like once in a lifetime kind of. So it's like every meeting is precious because every time it's different, and that same environment, that same time will never come back. So you have to like cherish those moments. So yeah, ichigo ichie, I love that word, and I think that's my motto, slogan,
So that
whatever.
really like matches you.
Yeah.
I think you're really expressing that
Yeah.
through your actions. Because I remember like you went to Thailand and then you like met a family and you even had dinner or something.
Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, they were so sweet. I was like, oh, thank you so much. It was really nice. So I told my student that, oh, like I'm actually going to Thailand, And then she was like, oh, are you coming to Thailand? And she was like, Mom, she's coming to Thailand. And it was really nice to see her in person. And it's actually like, I'm so grateful for each of our students as well as the parents, each family, because for me it's also really important for me to meet kids who are in like similar situations or like, and to feel like I've been a part of their life even for a bit is like really endearing. And so I don't know, I'm just grateful that I'm working and I'm able to connect to a lot of people.
I feel like that's something special in our job because our students are abroad, so
we will never meet them.
I feel like sometimes even students come to our office when they come like back from where they live.
Right.
And I also feel I really enjoy that moment too. I'm surprised how small they are. Like when I look at the screen, I imagine
they look bigger.
Because we only see their face.
Right.
But then, so you were like, children, like you're a child. So that's kind of special.
Actually, funny thing, for me it's the opposite.
Really?
Yeah, every time I meet them, they're so tall. One time, like my student was taller than me. And I was like, you're so tall. That was funny.
Yeah, that's something you can't
see on screen. We are really grateful for our like jobs and the whole opportunity that this job allows us to experience.
And like not only us teaching, but we also learn a lot of things from students and parents, and like it makes us grow. So thank you to everyone, and I'll try and we'll try our best to support you and be a good role model. Hopefully. Thank you. TCK Workshop is also special because we can support you throughout your whole academic journey. So it can start from elementary school, taking Eiken, and then middle school, Juken, and even if you finish Juken after that, if you want to take a higher English language test exam, like TOEFL, IELTS, SAT, you can come back to us. And even for like high school exams and university exams, it's not only for exams, you can come back for like supporting your homework, anything. So we hope that we can establish a really long relationship, a good one, with you all. Yeah, and that's what we want to do through our CRE team. So if you have any comments or anything you want to ask us, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And check our Instagram account and X. And also we have Line, so you can add us there. If you have any questions, please click on the link in the description and you can have a free consultation with us.